Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account because you will change registry and file ownership. No admin, no fix. Once confirmed, reboot into safe mode using settings recovery or hold shift and click restart. This isolates services that block profile repairs. Make sure to disconnect external drives and peripherals to avoid drive letter or lock conflicts. After safe mode loads, open File Explorer and note C, /users and the corrupted profile name. You will use these paths shortly. You now fix the registry because Windows tracks profiles by SID if a backentry exists. The system created a temporary profile. Open Regedit and export the profile list key as a backup. This gives you a rollback. Identify the SID with back in the matching non, backsid, rename the non, back to add, temp remove, back from the good SID then rename, temp to, back if needed. Finally, check profile image path points to the correct C, /users /your name, and set state and ref count to 0. Once registry changes are set, you must restore user files because the temp profile may hold your data. In safe mode, copy documents, desktop, app data, only necessary subfolders, and other personal files from the temp profile folder to the corrected C, /users folder. Do not overwrite end-user. Dat. After copying, reboot normally and sign in. Make sure apps load your settings. If the issue persists, use system restore to a prior point or create a new account and migrate data. This is the key fallback when registry repairs fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.